We finally completed the month of celebrations, the month of holidays. Yesterday, we went into the new month of Cheshvan, and it's no more exciting, no more celebrations, a mundane everyday life. And how do we transition from celebration, from excitement to everyday life? This week we read about Noah. Noah saved the world by bringing everybody into the ark, and they had an incredible time in the ark. They lived all together. It was reminiscent of the future time of redemption. While the world was swirling and being destroyed, Noah was saved with his family and the animals. And finally, it came to go out of the ark. And God tells Noah, make sure everyone leaves the ark. Don't leave anybody behind. And the commentators tell us that some people and some animals didn't want to leave the ark. They had found the comfort of the year of spending time together, and they enjoyed it. But they had to get out. The command was they have to go out and rebuild the world. And that's the message for us too, that we have to take all the inspiration that we had and go out and change the world in everyday life. But how do we find the meaning? How do we find the purpose in everyday life? So we have an amazing course coming up from the Jewish Learning Institute. It's the Kabbalah of Meaning. It's starting November 4th. For 6 weeks, we're going to explore deeper the meaning of meaning, the Kabbalah of meaning. What does Jewish ancient wisdom of mysticism give us the tools? How does it give us the tools to live a more meaningful life? We do things that are everyday. We eat, we walk, we interact with people. How do we make it meaningful? What's the meaning and the purpose? How do we find meaning in everyday life? The meaning we seek to make or not to make meaning in the mundane, meaning in the rhythms of time, meaning in unchosen, I mean something therefore I am. It's not going to be the esoteric teachings of the Kabbalah that we've had in the past. This is more practical applications of this wisdom in making life meaningful. I would very much encourage you to join us 6 Tuesdays, either in the morning at 10 o'clock or in the evening at 6 o'clock at the Jewish Center, starting November 4th. Please sign up at santafejcc/JLI. God bless you. May you find meaning in your life. Shabbat Shalom.